Hi guys, Hard Hat Holly here with your challenge for day 5. Today's challenge is going to be to talk to someone else, between 1 and 3 people, whatever you're comfortable, and it can be a relative or a friend, about their experiences in real estate investing. So want to see if you can kind of look for somebody that's invested in real estate and might be comfortable with real estate as an asset class, because maybe these people could be investors in your future ventures and your future flips. I personally have between $3 and $4 million at any given time of other people's money in my business. And it started out from them seeing me having success and some people saying, "Hey, do you take investors?" And I said, "Yes, I do." And then I had to figure out how to do it. But definitely it's a huge opportunity when you're looking for money for your deals, and we're talking about financing deals in this section, that you can get it from friends and family. A lot of people have money sitting in CDs or bank accounts or maybe even the stock market and mutual funds that are not performing as well as they'd like. So go talk to some people and just ask. Don't solicit their money yet, but just say, "Hey, what are you doing? And have you ever invested in real estate or private lending, or have you ever lent money in the form of a mortgage or a deed on a property?" And just kind of find out what people have done and plant the seed that you might have an opportunity in the future for them to do so with you. With that, that's the end of the challenge for day 5, and tune in tomorrow for day 6's challenge. You can go to hardhatholly.com/flip to sign up for my free masterclass. It's next week. So come on and join us and come be part of our group.